Okay. Good afternoon, Jello. Let's start the interview. Okay, how was your day?
Well, fine, I guess. There's a lot of doing work. Maraming pinagawa yung mga post ko. Pero ayos lang. Since Friday naman ngayon, I look forward na umuwi ng maaga. But to summarize, hindi naman, okay lang. It's fine.
Okay, good. So, any plans for the day? You're not in a hurry or something?
No, well, basically, since malayo pa yung uwian ko, excited ako umuwi. Pero, kung appointment, wala naman akong mga appointment ko dito.
Ah, okay. Okay. Another question. Tell me about yourself.
Well, my name is Lucret, 21 years old. I studied Our Lady of Fatima University. Graduate ako as nursing. Also, I already took the board exam on June 2009 and fortunately nakapasa naman ako. This is my first work and the first company that, hired me. So, and I'm working with Teleperformance for a year and 6 months now. That's it.
Okay, moving forward, let's go to the main question. What radio are you listening?
Radio station. Well, there's one in particular. That's 90.7, the Love Radio. Specifically, I listen to the program of Papa Jack. Yeah, that's what I listen to.
Is that a specific program, Papa Jack?
Actually, oh, Love Confessions. That's the title of the program.
I see. So, about this Papa Jack, why do you listen to this station? What attracts you to listen?
Well, basically, the program itself is interesting in such a way that it talks about, love. Love in such a way na yung mga caller ni Papa Jack, ano sila, kumbaga, humingi sila ng payo kung ano yung mga dapat nilang gawin sa mga love problems nila. Example, may mga tumatawag sa kanya, humingi ng advice, humingi ng sense of direction, perhaps. What's interesting is yung storya ng bawat caller kasi in such a way, may uniqueness yung bawat storya nila. Ang interesting doon talaga is sa bawat storya na papakinggan mo, nakaka-relate ka dun sa storya ng caller. Kumbaga sa akin, ano kayang gagawin ko kung ako yung nasa posisyon niya? Yun yung yun yung gusto kong napapakinggan sa Papa Jack. And syempre, yung mga advice din ni Papa Jack na nakakatawa or nakaka-inspire. Yun.
That is interesting. Sorry, I could really not relate since hindi ako radio listener.
I see. Okay.
What time do you listen this Papa Jack?
Yung program niya, nag-start siya ng mga around 9 p.m. 9 p.m. to 12. Yun yung portion for yung love confessions yun. Yun lang. Tapos ayun.
About this radio program, do you
Mhm.
think may mga ways siya na nakatulong sa mga listeners?
Yes, definitely. Kasi yung program niya is ang intention nun or ang main objective nun is magbigay ng payo sa mga listeners niya. Kunyari, may problem ka sa love mo, kailangan mong humingi ng opinion, pwede kang tumawag sa kanya, bibigyan kanya ng opinion or ng suggestion kung anong dapat mong gawin. Nakakatulong yun kasi syempre, kumbaga nagkakaroon ka ng outlet ng problema mo. At the same time, nabibigyan ka ng posibleng solusyon dun sa problem mo. So, nakakatulong yun. Yeah.
So, you're interested to this program about love confessions?
Yeah, well, basically, kumbaga, slice of life. Kasi sino ba naman ang hindi interested sa love, diba?
Yeah, oo naman. Okay, thank you for answering those questions. Now, let's talk about your workplace.
Oh, my workplace. Well, I work in Teleperformance. It's in EDSA Shaw. Besides, it's Pavilion. Yun. And about my workplace, what I can say is it's very conducive. Meaning, hindi siya yung ibang katulad ng workplace na hindi ka maging komportable. Dito sa Teleperformance, pagpasok mo pa lang, maganda yung lugar, maganda yung reception. Kumbaga, lahat ng pangangailangan mo is nandito. May canteen, may tulugan, siyempre may banyo, or lahat ng ng kailangan mo nandito. Specifically, sa workstations mo, maayos ang computer mo, ano pa ba? All in all, it's very conducive to work. Yeah, that's my
Oh, that's good. Bihira na ako makarinig ng mga good feedback sa mga company nowadays.
Oo nga eh.
Ayun. Ayun. My next question about this job. What's your current job?
Oh, my job. As of the moment, I am a reports analyst for Telstra. As a reports analyst, that's it. Mga reports. And also, ikaw yung responsible mag-maintain ng database or ng mga stats ng mga agents. Depende dun sa account mo. So, ikaw yung ang responsibility mo is magbigay ng mga updates tungkol sa mga metrics ng mga agents. Mainly, yun yung duty ko as a reports analyst.
I see. You answered my next question. That's something about your work.
Yeah.
Now, my question would be, why did you pick this job? What do you think is your qualifications that made you choose this job?
Well, basically, nung ako'y nag-aaral pa, inisip ko na kung ano yung magandang pasukan ko. Since nursing, face reality, hindi naman talaga kagad makakapasok ng or makahit ng job, lalo na sa hospital pag nursing ka rito sa Pilipinas. So, what I did is, I applied in various call centers, and I made up my mind na kung hindi ako makakapasok sa pagiging, staff nurse, mag-i-aim ako na magkaroon ng job sa call center industry. And also, about my best qualification for this job is because I love to talk. Hindi naman ako talkative or mahilig lang ako makipag-usap, makipag-mingle sa ibang tao. And I know, being in a call center industry, that's very important because you always talk to different kinds of people. And you know, or you must know how to communicate to those people to do your job effectively. Because actually, bago ako naging reports analyst, naging agent muna ako. Tapos nag-apply na lang ako for higher position. Tapos yun, tanggap ako as reports analyst.
Again, another question about your work. Why are you working for this organization? Is it the benefits, the pay, or some other reasons?
Well, basically, ang main purpose ko naman kaya ako nag-work is dahil sa pera. Bukod doon, syempre, kailangan mong, pagka-graduate mo, kailangan mong maging, kumbaga maging part ng community, yung community na productive, kumbaga. Gusto kong makatulong sa family ko in terms of, financial. Also, ayokong, tipong mapahinga. Kumbaga, yun naman yun. Yung wala kang gagawin. Or tatambay ka na sa bahay, sayang naman yung oras mo. The benefits, the pay, or, that's the main reason, perhaps. And also, growth. Naghahanap ako ng growth in such a way na hindi ka lang naman kasi mag-grow sa nursing lang eh. Kumbaga, pwede kang tumingin sa ibang fields na, maraming malawak ang mundo, kumbaga. So, this is my, field na pinili ko para mag-grow since alam ko naman sa sarili ko na qualified ako.